What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $1 to $10 again and again. Best of all, this is beginner friendly and you can actually make more. So if you want to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis. And hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so as I said, I'm going to show you how you can earn anywhere from $1 up to $10 or even more again and again. This is also beginner friendly, as I said. Now, two things here. First, make sure you stay till the end of the video so you don't miss out on any important information. And secondly, you probably won't get rich with these kind of opportunities. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out the link that is first in the comment section below here. But we'll save that for the end of this video because for now we want to get started to make anywhere from $1 to $10 again and again. Let's get started. Okay, so the site that we are going to have a look at today is called creativelive.com. Now this site is pretty similar like Udemy, Skillshare or other online teaching classes you can take. But they have specialized in a few things like, if you have a look here, in photo and video, money and life, art and design, craft and maker, and music and audio. So if you have a look a little bit here at the main site, you can see here, watch now. We're streaming a handful of classes 24/7, drop in daily and watch for free. So you can get started if you're interested in watching for free. You can see here are some big names like Tim Ferriss. So basically what you do is you find a class and you unlock it all if you want to, also if you want to have some kind of creator pass. Now, they are very good instructors in here and they teach us basically more or less that we have a look at earlier here. You can see the photo and video. You can learn anything from business also. There is money and life, time management, wellness, self-improvement and so on. So you can see here if we scroll down at the bottom, we can have a look at the About section first. So let's open it in a new tab. So here they explain actually what they are all about. And I'm just going to scroll down a little bit here. There's no need for me. You can have a look at it for yourself. But you can see here, we believe in access for everyone. We don't shine if you don't. So we believe success is within reach. And so on. But it is exactly as I said. It is pretty similar to Skillshare, Udemy and other popular online classes you can take here. So what we are interested in is actually, let's have a look at the affiliate section. And if we go to the affiliate section, you can see here the affiliate program, make money by connecting your audience to great content. So let's have a look at the details here. You can see here for every new registration and sign up, you get actually $1. Now, if someone wants to be an affiliate, for each referred affiliate, you make $10. So that is where $1 to $10 come in. I'm sorry, $1 to $10 come in. And look at this. This is so cool because you can actually make 20% in revenue share for new customer sales. So what that means is that if someone takes a class and it costs $100, you make $20, okay? So it's not only 1, it's not only 10, but you make $20. And here is also very, very nice because you make actually revenue share for return customer sales. So if you have them once as a customer, you already made a commission. When that customer is taking a second sale, a second class, you make actually 10% of that without doing anything, okay? So that is really cool. And here you can see track it, see the leads and sales you generate in real time. So they actually tell us that they have a good tracking system. Our average order sizes are over $100. So it means that you make on average sale definitely over $20 here in commission, and so on. There is also an FAQ section. Let's open it here on a new tab. And if you have a look at it, what is the Creative Live affiliate program? It tells us that the affiliate program is a service that allows participating websites to earn commissions on sales referred to Creative Live using specially tracked links. We provide you with custom links and banners that you can post on your website. Then when a visitor you refer to us make a purchase, we keep track and give you a commission on the sale. Now you don't actually need to have a website here. We're going to have a look at it real soon, so stay with me here. Is my website eligible for the affiliate program? We accept almost all type of websites. Are there any fees? There are no fees. Can I become an affiliate if I live outside the United States? Yes, so that tells us that this is worldwide also. Now, if I have multiple websites, do I need to apply separately for each? No, you should apply once. List all of your websites on your application and advertise Creative Live on any of them once you're approved. What is your commission rate? We pay you 20% commission rate for new customer purchase and 10% for returning customer purchases, and a $1 lead payout for new registrations. There is a minimum of for $50 in commission here. Now here is the thing that I actually talked about earlier. I don't have a website. I don't want to put banners. Can I still be a Creative Live? Yes. Okay, it takes just some extra effort. So they are actually telling you that you probably get more sales by having banners on your website. But if you don't have, it's cool. You can actually do it with some free marketing, like go on Facebook and so on and promote this on a clever way. Okay, so I mean, don't just go and bombard there with your affiliate link, but make sure that if you're interested in learning about photo from an expert, etc., etc., just hit me up and I'll send you a link via PM to check it out. And that's how you can work it on a clever way, okay? You will also have more interested people that are interested in taking those classes by doing it this way. Of course, you don't receive any discounts on Creative Live products. This is pretty much the standard actually for all the sites that you are affiliate as, okay? So they don't like if you purchase through your link, of course, to get some kind of a discount. So make sure you stay within the rules here. But you can actually have a look at the FAQ for yourself here. No need for me to read through everything inside here. So that is about Creative Live, and as you could see, you can make anywhere from $1 up to $10, or actually if you get a sale, you can make 20% or 10% in recurring commission for every sale actually that you make there. So, as I said, you probably won't get rich with this kind of opportunities. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out the link that is in the comment section. It's going to be the first link, so make sure you check that out. It's super easy. As I said, it's the first link there. So check it out if you want to make a full-time passive income online there. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Don't leave yet. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more. So make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.